In this video, I'll show you how to remove a tag on Facebook so your name no longer appears on a post or photo. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now find the post or photo where you've been tagged. You can do this from your notifications or by visiting your profile and scrolling through your tagged posts. Once you open the post, tap the three dots in the top corner of the post to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap Remove Tag. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice, so tap OK or Confirm. After that, the tag will be removed and your name will no longer appear on that post. The post will still remain on Facebook, but it won't be linked to your profile anymore. If you want more control over tags in the future, you can go to Settings, then open Profile and Tagging and adjust who can tag you or review tags before they appear on your profile. That's how you can easily remove a tag on Facebook using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.